Today's contact centers face a common challenge: complex routing configurations that drive up costs and frustrate customers. Introducing intent-based routing, a smarter way to connect customers to the right solutions faster. Traditional routing relies on agent skills, but with intent-based routing, you can focus on actual customer intent. Using generative AI, we capture the true purpose behind every customer interaction. Then, Copilot agents automatically update customer intents and knowledge bases, driving efficiency and better outcomes. Let's look at a customer seeking help with bad taste from their coffee machine. The Microsoft Copilot agent interviews the customer in a multi-turn conversation, determines the intent as poor coffee taste from coffee machine, and asks clarifying questions to identify the necessary attributes that will help fulfill the intent. The Copilot agent provides relevant knowledge articles on how to resolve the issue. If the customer is still not satisfied with the resolution, the conversation is escalated to a human service representative. Intent-based routing kicks in to find the best-suited agent for this conversation. Let's look at how. The conversation's intent, poor coffee taste, belongs to the coffee machine troubleshooting class of intents. Thus, intent-based routing identifies the user group coffee machine experts via the mapping of the intent group with the user group. Considering the customer's preferred language and the agent's real-time availability and utilization, the best-suited service representative is identified and connected to the customer. The service representative accepts the conversation. Their agent experience is powered with the customer's intent. Through the Copilot suggestions, they quickly get up to speed on the issue and provide the necessary steps to resolve it. Setting up this routing is seamless for administrators in autonomous contact centers. The administrators can start by creating the various lines of business that the contact center supports. Then, intent discovery runs automatically to identify the intents and intent groups that are supported by the contact center. These intents and intent groups are reviewed and approved by administrators before they are used by the customer intent agent. The admins can onboard multiple users simultaneously through user groups. User groups can also be associated with languages and regions they support, making it easier to find the most appropriate service representatives. These user groups can then be mapped to the corresponding intent groups that they support. A single-pane admin experience, showing the intent groups mapped to user groups, now replaces complex routing configurations. Admins will get recommendations to update routing configurations based on emerging trends. To understand how the conversations are routed, supervisors will have all the relevant information available through application insights. They can view the conversation lifecycle and important events like line of business identification, user group identification, user assignment, and their supporting details. This will help diagnose any conversation and, if required, take corrective measures. With intent-based routing, organizations can transform their contact centers and orient them towards actual customer intents, which are continuously discovered and kept evergreen. Customers receive quick, optimal resolutions, and organizations can reduce operational costs while improving business metrics.